Hey guys, I'm Sherwin
I'm Ashan.
and this is our cameraman Sean, who you guys don't see often.
Hi guys.
That's guys, that's like the sixth time we're telling this on camera because we had to keep restarting because of some technical difficulties actually.
And the camera keeps on falling.
Yeah, that's the main thing. Yeah, exactly. Okay guys, so we are missing one other person from our crew and that's Jason, our editor. Hi Jason!
Obviously he's gonna watch this.
Yes, hi. Anyways guys, enough of cringe. This is our talk show with our title.
That's the title. That should be the title.
The talk show with our title.
Why don't you guys give us a suggestion?
Yeah, exactly. You guys can suggest it down below once we give you the whole idea behind the talk show. So the talk show is basically a whole other segment we're starting because we cannot do reviews as of now because of the whole country situation and they have it is. But the thing is, we were still doing reviews even with the whole pandemic, but now they're imposed some other laws and bullshit.
Yeah.
So it's pointless. It's like senseless and it's a waste of effort and time.
Obviously safety comes first.
Safety comes first. Yes, true. And that's the reason why we're doing the whole talk show. And now moving on to what we'll be talking about on this talk show is basically we are going to be talking about like car related stuff, obviously, like car builds, F1 races and whatnot. They get all sorts of car stuff, on the talk show.
Everything.
With other people as well, not just us, with other people who are
Who are interested in cars?
yes, who are car enthusiasts, basically. Yes, thank you.
Basically getting another part of audience to the channel.
Exactly, we're trying to hit another part, hit another audience with this whole talk
There
show
are
as
people
well.
who doesn't wanna watch reviews.
And this might be for you guys who don't want to watch reviews but do enjoy sort of like a podcast sort of thing.
Exactly.
Yeah, so that's the whole reason behind starting this talk show segment. And what else, guys? Oh, we are also closing on 200 subscribers. I'm not
As of now we have 197.
and I'm not too sure if I mentioned that earlier in the video, but yeah, but now I am. So we are closing on.
I don't know if we have hit 200 subscribers once we have posted it. We might have hit 200 already, by the way.
Yeah,
sure. Altazar is going live today on the day we record this
yes,
talk.
because the time of the time that I've recorded this current talk show is 4:25, and the video and the Altazar video, which is already up by the time this video goes up, since at the time you guys are watching this, we would have definitely hit 200 subscribers. That's a show. That's a fact. So anyways, that was complicated.
We haven't hit 200.
Ouch! We're three subscribers away.
We only 3 subscribers away.
And that's about.
Anyways, we do have plans for 200 subs.
Oh, we have some major plans for 200 subscribers. It's gonna go big, and you guys will definitely find out soon because all the Sri Lankans who are watching our show, our channel, should definitely get on in the action because it's gonna be big because it's a 200 subscriber special, and I don't think anyone else, any other Sri Lankan car review channel has done a bigger or is going to do a bigger like a 200 subscriber special than us. No one else has done
200
it.
is not a lot actually. If you think about it.
But we're going to do it big because
It's actually the growth of the channel.
we're going to do it big, and that's a fact. So yeah, guys, that's about that.
And talking about subscribers as well, we have passed 1K of the Mesa videos.
Oh yeah.
Views.
No, talking about likes, views. Sorry. So talking about the views in regards to the RX-8 video, Oshan, I think we have surpassed over 1.2k. No,
1.1k, which is very surprising compared to our other videos.
Yeah, which is very odd. So that means that people seem to be loving the RX-8.
For some reason,
I mean, we do too, but I don't.
On rising.
Keep on rising. Go ahead. Keep on rising.
We are not complaining.
We ain't complaining. So
keep on watching, guys.
So that also means something else. So basically, since people seem to be loving RX-8s, I think it's time for another RX-8 video.
The R3, which we haven't reviewed yet.
We haven't reviewed yet. And if you guys are wondering whether we're a mask, it's because the whole pandemic thing. And apparently, even if you're on your own personal vehicles, you have to wear masks.
Yes.
I don't know how far that's true, so even if it's not true, don't hate.
Yeah.
Pin
But
off.
obey the guidelines.
Whatever, yeah, exactly.
It's better be safe, right?
Yeah. Anyways, back on track. We were talking about RX-8, so I think it's time for another RX-8 video. Don't you guys think?
Yeah.
Yes. The R3, as Oshan mentioned, and also I think I heard that my our good friend Abdullah's RX-8 had a slight upgrade. Slight or major upgrade? Would you say?
It's a major upgrade.
It's a major upgrade, yeah, and I think it's time for like another small review on it as well, like a small cinematic.
You mean the UK spec one, right?
The only UK spec in Sri Lanka.
We reviewed that, by the way.
We did review it. We'll put the links in the description down below. You guys can go check it out as well. That's about it.
So yeah. By the way, speaking about how we started the channel,
Yeah.
how all this made sense and
How it came to be.
yeah, basically. So one night I texted Sherwin saying, hey,
we were having a conversation.
oh yeah, we were having a conversation, like a neutral, very cushy conversation.
Yes.
Like usual. And I told him that I have a thought of starting a YouTube channel
Yes.
about cars and
Before,
reviews,
yeah.
and he agreed. And we had Sean.
And the next day we ended up buying gear.
Oh yeah, the next day we ended up buying gear.
And the funny thing is, guys, we have all, me and Oshan and I have both actually had cringy ass YouTube channels before in the past. And we both started our first YouTube channel exactly like 4 years ago.
Oh, yeah.
Like both of us, 4 years ago, like when we didn't even know each other.
Yeah, we didn't even know each other.
But so I think the time has come for us to start a proper one, and we did. So
Yeah.
and
With
here we
proper
are.
gear
With proper gear and proper effort and time into it. Yeah. So that's how we came to be. I mean, it's a cool little backstory. Nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy. Not dramatic.
It's very random, but we made it happen.
Yeah, it took like one and a half months of planning and trying to get our first car. But even though we planned so much, we ended up messing up the whole audio part of the videos.
I mean, we obviously don't know how to do a proper review by then. I mean,
At that time.
at that time,
Yes, and we still don't because we are the most unprofessional review channel in Sri Lanka.
we know how to get the information to you guys, but we don't know how to
demonstrate it.
You know how to put it out. Like,
Yeah.
we know the information, but we just can't put it out in a more proper way.
I know we have improved though.
We have improved, just
perfect.
but we are getting there. We are definitely getting there.
Compared to the
If
first
we-
videos and
Yes.
the way we are doing now,
True.
we have really
True.
come up the way.
I mean, we are definitely improved in terms of explaining and stuff, and we have taken everyone's advice into consideration, like constructive criticism, basically.
Yes.
And yes, our upcoming video, or the latest video which you guys will see once this video is up, is the Altaza. And yes, we have gone in depth with it, as everyone has told us that we don't go in depth as much as we need to.
stuff?
Yeah, the engine is the most crucial part, and yes, we agreed. So we actually did go in depth with this video,
Yes.
and I hope you guys will enjoy that as well. And I hope you guys will also like this whole talk segment thing, and it won't be too long, won't be too boring. Just a quick little session. That's
Yeah.
all.
I mean, this video is kind of long because we're introductory.
Yeah,
it's
using
of the
It's like already 8 minutes long, and I think it's time that we cut it off for now.
Yeah.
So what do you guys say?
So by the way, maybe we should mention about the build that we are doing.
Oh
Exactly,
yes,
yeah,
the build. The build is currently so Oshan got a 19A9 E30. Yeah, E30.
Classic, right.
A classic E30, which is in kind of shit condition as of now. But we do want to get content on it, but it's kind of difficult with the whole situation in the country.
Might or might not happen,
But
It's on the fence. Actually.
it's on the fence, but we'll try to get some kind of content out, like on Instagram or TikTok
Yeah.
or something.
It's better to have something better.
Yes,
than
we'll definitely upload some kind of content and a reveal video once it's done. That's for sure. But we can't promise you on a full-on build series, on a full-on build.
We might upload, but the talk show will go.
The talk show will go on even once reviews are started. So that's about it, guys. Okay, so guys, now that we covered everything, I think it's time to wrap up this introductory episode
Yes,
of our first talk show with no title. Anyways,
guys have
If you guys have suggestions,
yes, please drop it down below, like suggestions for the name and suggestions of what kind of topics we can talk about on this particular segment of the show.
Of course.
So that's about it, guys. Hope you guys will enjoy this little talk session with us and the crew, minus one guy. And if you guys did enjoy it, please do hit the subscribe button, like, and share it
watch
around.
our review videos maybe.
And watch our other review videos as well. Like you can check out the RX-8 video which you mentioned, and we did the Porsche 718 Cayman, and quite a few other videos as well.
Goals and all. Yeah.
So check those out, guys. And that's it for now. So peace, bye.
Stay safe.